Hi friends. Welcome back. Let's learn to draw flowers. This will be useful for beginners and kids. Today we will draw two simple and easy flowers. So please watch carefully and draw along with me. If required, pause the video and draw. You don't need to draw with sketch pen. Draw with a pencil so that you can make corrections whenever required. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will do the coloring in the next video. So stay tuned. Hope all of you liked it. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Also don't forget to like and share the video.